Hello Udemy, I am Shazad Ahmad from jquery.com and welcome in lecture number 2nd. Today we are going to discuss about the example. So I'm going to show you the example so you can easily understand how jQuery works and why you need to learn the jQuery. So as you can see, you have one button and you have one image. When you click on this, so as you can see, it's hiding. When you again click on this, so as you can see, it's appearing with animation. So click on this, hiding, click on this, appearing. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the code behind this functionality. Okay, this is my editor. This is the PHP Storm. As I told you that if you are using Notepad++ or some other editor, it's totally depend upon you, but the syntax is same. Okay, so now as you can see, you have your button, you have your image. Okay, now forgot this thing. We will discuss about how can you embed the jQuery file in your project, but for now, this is the code. This is the code behind this functionality. So as you can see, I'm saying whenever someone click on this, so you don't need to add the on-click method or an on-click event here, but what you just need to call the click function. Okay, I'm saying whenever someone click on this class, so where you have defined this class, I have defined this class here. Whenever someone click on this class, I'm saying just find the image and add the toggle method or toggle function. So as you can see, this is the line of code, a single line of code. So that's why in the jQuery official website, jquery.com, go to the jquery.com, they always say that write jQuery, write less, do more. So that's why. So you have write it, and that means I have written this less code, and as you can see, it's showing me a lot of functionality. So okay, so in this way you can use the just functions to perform some specific task or some special task. So you don't need to add the JavaScript code, the lengthy JavaScript. So as you can see, if you have a ID for suppose if you have an ID in your image, for suppose my image, this is the ID name of your my image, and if you want to call this ID, so how can you call this? Just add the $sign and hash and call your ID. And if you are working on JavaScript, so as you know, you have to define the document dot get element by ID, then you have to define the ID, which is this ID, then you can change some then you can perform other topic. So as you can see, the difference between JavaScript code and the jQuery code. So as you can see, this is the lengthy code, so document dot get element, and you are passing the ID here. But using jQuery, you are calling this ID by using the dollar and by using the hash sign. So this is the big difference between JavaScript and jQuery. So you have to familiar with them so you can easily understand why you have to learn the jQuery. But in the next lecture we are going to download the jQuery and we will learn what is the compressed and uncompressed jQuery version, and which version we are going to use in this series. So thank you for watching.